Hi dear children, how are you? I'm happy to meet you in the second lecture on the chapter, the third level in Vistas. You should understand the title or the significance of the title, the third level. It is not something else but a subway in a Grand Central Station that allows the passengers to take or board train to Galesburg or Illinois. It is not existing physically at the Grand Central Station in New York at all. The third level is conceptually originated in Charlie's mind. Who is Charlie? Charlie is a hero of this story. So it is not a real one. So Charlie, in order to escape from the stress-filled life in the modern times, he just entered into the third level. Or otherwise, the third level itself is a medium through which Charlie travels in his mind to the space and time. If this idea is clear to you, the chapter is very easy to understand. As I said earlier, Jack Fennies, that is the author, the third level is an example for scientific fantasy. This experience may take place to any individuals, maybe in 1 in crore. Even it is a rarest piece also. For example, when we are stress-filled, we engage ourselves in gardening, painting, collecting stamps, watching movies, visiting friends, and riding bikes and driving even cars in the night, etc. But we never ever try to reach a different level of mental experience of traveling to the space and time of the places of 1890s. That is the reason it comes to you a complete unique experience and the rare experience. How did Charlie enter to third level? So we discuss in detail. Charlie, the protagonist of the story, who was an employee in the office. One night last summer, Charlie worked late at his office. His mind worried a lot about reaching his apartment using the subway in a Grand Central Station in New York. So there were trains operated in the Grand Central, so he thought that trains could go faster than the city buses. He was sensible that his wife Louisa waiting for him and worried about his late coming. Charlie was at 31 years old. A middle-aged employee was wearing carbondine suit and a straw hat with a fancy band. It is not he alone wears carbondine suit, but also the men who pass by all wore the same. He went to the Grand Central Station and used steps to reach the first level down, and there were platforms where trains were on the move. His trains was not scheduled in the first level, and therefore he walked down to the second level of the station where suburban trains take the passengers to the destination. He mistakenly ducked himself in an arched way in the subway and lost eventually the way. Getting lost in a Grand Central Station was not a new experience to Charlie. Yes, he had lost the way nearly 100 times. Every time he had lost the way, he could see the new doorways, stairs, corridors, tunnel, etc. and came up to a adjoined streets or block sometimes. As every time Charlie would see new corridors, new tunnels, and new stairs and new doorways, he thought the Grand Central Station is growing like a tree. For other passengers, Grand Central Station was a place where they get their exit for their destination. Yes, they come and go. But Charlie, it was not. He was sure to say that he had seen a tunnel underway to which the city is right now above. How did Charlie then enter into the third level? Did he really enter or reach to the third level? Let us discuss it in detail in the next session. Until then, think it over the lecture and keep it in your mind, the doubts for clarification. Until we meet the next class, I thank you all.